Now, just like we did with our 5-note box, we're going to spend some time now coming up with combinations of notes that we can play using our 7-note box. Okay, so we want to come up with 2-note, 3-note, and 4-note combinations that we can play now with our new 7-note box. So let me just give you an example. We've already done this before, but I just want to show you some new combinations that are now possible. Here's our original 5-note box. And here's our new 7-note box. Okay, so let's think of some 2-note combinations we can come up with. Well, we can just play the first 2 notes, or we can play the 2 new notes. Kind of funky, right? Or, see how we get different sounds now? Or, now we have different sounds available. So what about some 3-note combinations? What about this? We didn't have that before. Or what about this? Or, that's new too. Or even, and we can also explore 4-note combinations. So, or I can change the last note of that. Kind of different, right? We have a different flavor now. Or, okay, so those are 2-note, 3-note, and 4-note combinations, and I want you to spend some extra time now coming up with all the new combinations that you can think of using your 7-note box. Again, just explore, just have fun. See what you can come up with, and don't worry about mistakes.